What's up, everybody? We got the 07 4Runner right here, and today we are looking at ARK Splash Guards. Are they worth the hype? Are they worth the money? Well, I picked some up. Boom! Look at these suckers. Pretty nice. I like them so far. I opened the box. These cost me about $106 US. In Canadian money, that's like $1 million. In all seriousness, I think it was around 180 shipped to my door. But I'm going to put these on my truck. I'm going to take a good look at them here. And I'm going to do a review and tell you guys if I think these are worth the money. So before we get started looking at the ARK ones, I kind of just want to look at what's going on here in the OEM splash guard area. So as you can see in the wheel well here, you got like your Toyota splash guard. For me, mine is ripped. If I pull this back, you can see the exhaust manifolds. Water, snow, salt, everything comes up through the wheel well and splashes on your components here. As you can see with the just Toyota ones, you got some decently sized gaps in the control arm area. Of course, this has to flex, this has to move. And so that's why you're not covering that. With the ARK ones, I believe they go over top. And so this front one does the job in my eyes. This looks pretty good in here. Going back over here, there's a little bit of gappage. They're pretty thin. It's a pretty thin rubber. As they age, they crack a lot. They're kind of hanging loose. Not the worst. Visually, they're okay. If I go to the other side, kind of the same vibe. They're dry, a little bit cracked, but that's just the way it is. This side is definitely in better condition. Regardless, I am excited to see what the new ARK ones look like on the truck. And so before we do that, I'm just going to show you what the webpage looks like, what the ordering process was like, so you can get the full review here. Hey guys, so this is where I bought everything from. This is the ARK Splash Guards website. They're just a small family-run business out of Arizona. Pretty cool, love it. Carry Toyota, Lexus stuff. They actually carry splash guards for the Tundra, Sequoia, Tacoma, Prado, GX, FJ, 4Runner. They also have a 4Runner Mudflap Elite kit for the 5th gen. In my 4th gen, I just cut mine down so I could fit my 33s. If you have 35s, obviously you need to do this as well. Might be worth looking into. I personally haven't. But what I did, I got the 4Runner splash guards. So I got mine for the 4th gen. I have a 1/2-inch body lift, so I ordered those just as you see on the screen here. I added to cart and sent it. They even sent me an email and said, "Are you sure you want the 1/2-inch body lift?" And I said, "Yep, that's correct." All right, guys, so here we got the Toyota ones down here, the ones that look like they've seen better days, honestly, because they have. And then we got the ARK ones up here. So with the ARK ones, it does come with new mounting hardware, just little tabs that you pop through the holes. On first glance, you can definitely see the construction is so much higher quality. This is way thicker. It holds its form way better. If I actually put these over, you can see that it matches. I also got mine ordered for a 1/2-inch body lift. But honestly speaking, I think you're getting probably about 30 to 40% more coverage just with the ARK Splash Guards. So you know what, if you're doing a lot of off-roading, if you're doing some mudding, if you're going through stuff with your wheels that you don't want that to be getting into your engine area, whether it's through the manifolds, if it's rusting up the frame, I think this more coverage is worth it alone. With that being said, can you build this on your own? Can you go cut out some material? Of course. With the precision of how it already being pre-cut for the vehicle, for me, the time it would take me to measure everything, drill the holes and everything, I'm happy with the price point of these so far. But I want to get them mounted up before I say too much. But so far, I'm really liking the look of this. Everything seems to line up really well. I like that they included new hardware, as all my little tabs here are completely busted. So I'm going to go mount this up and then I'll let you guys know. All right, we got everything installed. She is all buttoned up, ready to go to the ball. So here we go. We got all the tabs in. These tabs are so much nicer than the old Toyota ones. Mostly because I broke all the old ones, but they line up perfectly. It looks super clean in here. The only problem I had is this one right here. This hole on both sides was not drilled out. Shout out not drilling out the hole. So I had to do that. That is super minor, but something to keep in mind. And so everything else fit great. They look awesome. I'm going to come around to the other side here so you guys can see the driver's side with the driver's side lean. Shout out lean. Wish I could fix it. I should. Here's the driver's side. Same thing. This one wasn't drilled out, but drilled that one out myself. Nice and easy. The quality is great. A lot thicker, a lot more durable. I'm happy. Price point wise, if I'm American and I'm getting this for like 110, I'm laughing. That's fantastic. I don't know where you're at in life. Maybe you only have that much money to spend. Maybe you don't even have that much money to spend. This is going to be what you're saving up for. Hey, that's sweet. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, make sure you're taking care of your car first. But if you're looking for something to add to your 4Runner, maybe something more in the protective element, maybe just a nice little mod that'll clean things up a little bit, you want to protect your SPC control arms and all the crap that you've put in here, yeah, these are worth it. For around 200 Canadian, it's it's pretty tough to swallow, I'm not going to lie. Personally, I love them. I didn't get paid to do this. I have nothing coming my way for this. This is totally unbiased, but I like them, and I think this is worth it, to be honest. Obviously, there's no competitors out there that I'm aware of, but for what they delivered on, I'm pretty happy. So this has my thumbs up of approval. Worthwhile mod. I'm happy with it. Are they worth the hype? I think it's a great company that's up and coming, and yeah, they're worthy of supporting. So hope this is helpful. If it was, feel free to like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help answer some. But anyways, have a fantastic day, everyone, and enjoy.